Hello guys, do you know that you can do a lot with chat GPT? Yes, so in this video I'm going to show you some wonders of chat GPT. Yes, yes. um Please, if this is your first time watching this channel is Adriasar TV. Kindly subscribe to this channel for me so that it reach many people. Yes, so ChatGPT is an AI, is an artificial intelligence. It was developed by OpenAI. Yes, and I'm going to show you some things that as a student you can use ChatGPT to do. Yes, there's new wonders, and we have to embrace new technologies as students. So let's go into this. So ChatGPT, you can search. Let's do this. Let's say you can write ChatGPT. Chat GPT, give me top 5 study sites for students. Let's see. Wow, wow, guys, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. Top 5. Wow, wow, guys, this is so amazing. So you see that it has given me all the top 5 sites that as a student you can learn. So we have Khan Academy, Coursera, Quizlet, Duolingo, Wolfram Alpha. Wow, that is great, bro. That is great. So great. Yes, this is so great. So Khan Academy, it says that Khan Academy is a non-profit organization that offers free online courses, videos, and product exercises in a variety of subjects, including math, science, history, and more. And Coursera is an online learning platform that offers courses from top universities and institutions around the world. Some courses are free, while others require payment. And Quizlet is an online platform that allows students to create and study digital flashcards. It includes games and other study tools to help students learn and retain information. Duolingo is a language learning platform that offers courses in over 40 languages. The platform uses gamification to make learning fun and engaging. Wolfram Alpha. So it's a computational knowledge engine that can answer a wide range of questions and solve problems in various fields, including math, science, and engineering. It can be a valuable resource for students in these subjects. So, guys, do you know one thing? Yes, so we have gotten these 5 top study sites for students. But let me show you one thing that ChatGPT can also do. So you see, we have Khan Academy here, and we have Coursera here, Quizlet also here. Let me show you one thing. Let's expand it. ChatGPT can expand it. So let's select let's select Khan Academy. So copy. Then let's say let's write something here. Expand. So expand. Then let's put it here. Let's paste it here. So we are saying that expand this. Let's see what happens. So you see, guys, it is expanding the Khan Academy that we just wrote. Yes, it is expanding. So Khan Academy is a non-profit organization that was founded in 2008 by Salma Khan. Its mission to provide free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. So the organization faces wide range of online courses, videos, and practice exercises cover a variety of subjects. Okay, so Khan Academy content is designed to be accessible to learners of all ages and backgrounds. It's a whole lot, guys. So it has expanded the Khan Academy. You see, it has expanded it. Yes, and this is so amazing, guys. It is so amazing. I will recommend Chat GPT to all of you. To all of you. So now we can also do new one. So let's come. We can just come here and type new. So new chat. Now let's say as a student you want to practice some questions, MCQs or something, and now we can just type here chat GPT, give me top 3 sites to practice examination questions. Let's see. Wow, it has still given us even okay. So although it has given us Khan Academy again, Quizlet again, but I have seen one other thing, that is the exam practice. So it says that exam practice is a website that offers practice questions for a wide range of exams, including standardized tests like the GRE, GMAT, LSAT, as well as professional certification exams like the CPA and CFA. They offer both free and paid practice materials. So these are some of the things that we can expand the exam practice. You can copy and say chat GPT, expand expand this for us. Okay, guys, mistakenly I have moved from there, but we can expand as I showed you in the other video, or in the other prior to this one. I showed you we were able to expand the Khan Academy, so you can also do that. So now let me show you this one too. You can just do this. You can also do this top 2 YouTube channels to study mathematics. Let's see this one. Guys, wow, it means Khan Academy is so amazing. So guys, you see, it has still even given me Khan Academy, and it has given me number file. So number file, when you go there, is a whole lot of mathematics. Yeah.